In this video, we are going to learn about count function. Count function count the number of cells in a range that contain number, but it ignores other cells like text, date, and blanks. First, we will give label of count in A14 cell. So first click to A14 cell like this, and then write count like this, and then press enter. Now we have to use count function in B14 cell. So first click to B14 cell, then press equal sign, then write count, then open round bracket sign, then select range of cell B4 to B8, then close round bracket sign, and then press enter. The moment we press enter, count function answer came, and that is 5. As I mentioned earlier, Excel does not count blank cell. Now suppose we want to delete B5 cell number. So first click to B5 cell like this, and then press delete. The moment we have pressed delete, answer in B14 cell is 4. Earlier it was 5, now it is 4. Over here, it means Excel does not count blank cell. Now press Ctrl Z for undo. Like this. There are different ways to find count in Excel, like it was for average, sum, etc. Now we will learn that. Now first click to C14 cell like this, then click to formula tab over here, then click to auto sum. In that, click to count number. The moment we click to count number, Excel has selected range of cell automatically. If that range of cell is useful for us, then go on. Otherwise, select range of cell. Like here, we will select C4 to C8. Like this. Then press enter. The moment we press enter, answer came, and that is 5. Over here. One more way. For that, click to D14 cell. Like this. Then click to more function. Over here. Then statistical, and in that click to count. The moment we click to count, new window will come up. Cells will be selected in first argument over here. If that cell is useful, then go on. Otherwise, select range of cell. Like here, we will select D4 to D8. Like this. Then click OK. The moment we click OK, answer came, and that is 5 over here. Or we can drag aside till F14 cell. Like this. Like this also we can find count for rest of the cell. These are the ways we can find count in Excel. Try this count function in your Excel worksheet, and I will see you in next video. Take care.